Now, okay, I am asking you question and you have to give one by one answer. Objective questions. You have to raise your hand. Then I will give everyone chance. Okay. Listen. First question is, now listen, read the following extracts carefully and choose the correct option. The advocate Sergei looked at the red fawn colored overcoat of the suppliant, at his dull drunken eyes, at the red spot on either cheek, and it seemed to him as if he had seen this man somewhere before. And your question is, who is his in the extract? Options are Sergei, Luxov, Olga's brother, Olga's husband. Raise your hand. Okay, Harsita first raised. So I am giving chance to Harsita. Okay, just wait. Harsita, unmute yourself and now speak.
Lushkov.
Okay, the right answer is Luxov. Now, next question is, where did Sergei see him before? Where did Sergei, everyone, down your hand, where did Sergei see him before? And options are A. Sergei saw him beginning in a different city. Sergei saw him beginning in a different street. Sorry, begging is given. Third number is Sergei saw him sleeping in a cabin. D. Sergei saw him stealing in a different street. Now, those who want to speak, raise your hand. Okay, Jivesh, I am giving you chance. Now, speak.
He was begging at a different street.
Oh yes, Sergei saw him begging in a different street. Okay. Now, next question is, find a word from the extract which means, find a word from the extract which means a person making a humble plea to someone in power or authority. A person making a humble plea to someone in power or authority. Options are A. Beggar, B. Supplicant, C. Supplier, D. Suppliant. Now raise your hand. Okay, Kus, speak. Oh yes, I have to give chance, then you will speak. Just wait, Kus. Okay, speak, Kus.
Suppliant.
Yes, very good. The right answer is suppliant. Now, question number 4. What is the opposite of dull? What is opposite of dull? D-U-L-L. Options are blighted, B-L-I-G-H-T-E-D, B. Dusky, D-U-S-K-Y, dusky. Now C number bright, D number blopper, B-L-O-O-P-E-R. Raise your hand. Now Rahul, speak.
Brighted.
Yes, very good. The right answer is bright. Okay, now next extract. Listen carefully, everyone. I will give each and everyone chance, so you have to raise your hand one by one. I will give you. Next, he saw the pseudo teacher means false teacher, seat himself on a log and become lost in thought. With his red cheeks resting on his fist, the woman flung down an axe at his feet, spat angrily, and judging from the expression on her lips, began to scold him. Now question is, who is the woman mentioned in the extract? I will not give you answer because very simple question. Okay, raise your hand. Utkarsh, it's your chance. Speak.
Olga.
Olga, very good. Now, next question. Listen, whom I recognize that you are the right student. If I have given you right to speak, then I will leave you, okay? जिसको हम पहचान रहे हैं उसका एक बार अनम्यूट कर दिए तो वैसे ही रहने देंगे. Okay, now listen. Question is second number. Why is he called a pseudo teacher? Why is he called a pseudo teacher? Question is options are A, as he used to be a teacher earlier, B, as he used to be a professor earlier, C, as he lied that he was a teacher, D, as he lied that he was a farmer. Raise your hand, everyone. Sasank Kausal, speak. Shashank.
He was like that he is a school teacher.
Just you want to meet me. You are a student. Just come in. Yes, speak. ओ प्रियांशु है. अच्छा, वो स्कूल क्यों नहीं आ रहा है? अच्छा, ठीक है, हम सोच भी रहे देखिए, ये आप ले लीजिए 11, ये ले लीजिए 10, एक ये ले लीजिएगा और एक ये ले लीजिएगा और ये बुक ले दे देना. आप इतना लीजिए, फिर हम आपको बताते हैं तो पढ़ा दें, ठीक है? एक बुक भी आपको दे देते हैं, लीजिए. हम सोच रहे थे कि आखिर वो एग्ज़ाम क्यों नहीं दे रहा है. ठीक है, लीजिए. ओके, नाउ लिसन. ओके शशांक, गिव योर आंसर. Just wait. Speak your answer, Sasank.
He was like that he was a school teacher.
Okay, yes, the right answer is as he lied that he was a teacher. Okay, now next question. Give the present tense. Listen carefully, everyone. Give the present tense of the word spat. S-P-A-T. Now I am giving you options. S-P-A-T, S-P-A-K, S-P-I-T-T-E-D, D number S-P-I-T, speak. Now raise your hand. Okay. Aditi, what is your right answer? Aditi, speak. ले लिए सब. वो वहाँ पे नहीं है. अच्छा, देखिए नीचे है. नीचे है तो ले लीजिए. अच्छा, नहीं है. एक काम कीजिए, आप ओरिजिनल बना दीजिए, उसी को पीछे से फाड़ के बनवा दीजिए. ठीक है, चार ले लीजिए. ठीक और ना ठीक. एडमिट कार्ड इसमें होगा, इसमें खोल लीजिए, उसके नाम का एडमिट कार्ड और ले लीजिए. और एग्ज़ाम ऑनलाइन चल रहा था, तो क्वेश्चन सेव करके रखे हैं? हाँ, तो ठीक है. अगर नहीं सेव करके रखे होंगे तो बोलिएगा, तब हम परीक्षा विभाग से आपको दिलवा देंगे. ठीक है. ओके, नाउ whom I have given chance, Aditi, speak. unmute yourself and then speak.
Spit.
Yes, speak. What you have spoken? Speech.
Spit.
Yes, very good. Down your hand. Now, next question. What is the present tense of flung? F-L-U-N-G, flung. Options are F-L-A-N-G, flang, F-L-I-N-G-E-D, flinged, F-L-I-N-G, fling, F-L-A-N-G-S, flanks. Okay, raise your hand. Only Rahul has raised. Mohit, Aditi, okay. Now, Mohit, what is your right answer? I have to give everyone one time chance, then again Rahul I will give you chance, okay?
Fling. F-L-I-N-G.
Okay, the right answer is fling. Now I have asked 5 questions from this extract and first number option is Olga, second one as he lied that he was a teacher, third one is spit and fourth number is fling. Very good you all. Now next extract you have to listen carefully, then I will give you more questions. On the first of the month, the waif made his appearance and again earned half a ruble. Waif means bhega bound. Those who don't know what is, they have home or not, they are moving here and there. Okay, now made his appearance and again earned half a ruble, although he could barely stand on his legs. From that day on, he often appeared in the yard, and every time work was found for him. Okay, now that time I will not give you option. When you are not able to speak, then I will give you options. Question is, who is the waif in the extract? Who is the waif in the extract? Raise your hand everyone. There are 3 hands. Okay, now this time I am giving chance to Harshita. After a long time she is speaking. One answer she has given. Now Harshita, speak.
Lashkov. The beggar.
Okay, yes, very good. The right answer is now. Second number question. Listen carefully everyone. Question is, why is the waif given half a ruble? Why is the waif given half a ruble? Raise your hand. I am counting 3, 1, 2, 3. No one is raising your hand, so I am giving you option. Okay, Aditi, speak. Aditi.
Lashkov was given half a ruble for chopping the woods.
Very good. For chopping wood at Sergei house. Very good, Aditi. Okay, now next question. Listen, everyone. Question is, find a word from the extract that means hardly. I have given you extract and I have also said that you have to open your book. Now Harshita has raised her hand. Those who want to give answer, they have to raise their hand. Okay. Harshita, what is your answer? Harshita and Mohit both have raised. Now Harshita, what is your answer?
Barely.
Yes, very good. Mohit, your answer is same.
Yes, Didiji, barely.
Okay, very good, you too. Now, next question. The word again in the extract is an adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction. I am counting 4. One hand is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Who want to give answer? You have to very simple. Again, what type of parts of speech? Adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction. Who will speak? Raise your hand. 1, 2, 3. No one. Okay, then I have to give answer. Very simple. Here it is given again. Again is adverb. How it is adverb? You have to look. Here given na. Can anyone say that how it is an adverb? Here look at again earned. So where we use adverb? Harshita. Okay, speak.
Again has come here to modify earned word. So it is adverb.
Yes, very good. The definition of adverb. You must think. Very simple. The definition of noun. Noun is the name of person, place, animal, thing, feeling and idea. Second is pronoun. Pronoun comes in place of noun or instead of noun. After that adjective. Adjective qualifies noun and pronoun. After that verb. Verb is the action. All the action word state being. This comes under the verb. Then after we have to come to adverb. Very simple. Adverb modifies verb, adjective and itself. Okay. So here again is adverb. Very simple. Now next question. Next extract I am reading. Thank heaven. That's fine. I am delighted for your sake. I am very glad. Lakshap. You see, you are my godson in a sense. I gave you a push along the right path. You know, do you remember what a roasting I gave you? Now, your options are, question I am asking you. Who is I in the extract? I have said I am delighted, I am very fine. So, who is I? Raise your hand. This time, Jeeves raised 3 or 4 times. Now, I am so many boys. Now, first I am giving chance to Jeeves. Okay, Jeeves, speak. Okay, how many hands? Mohit, Utkarsh, Aditi, Kush, Harshita, Rahul and Jeeves. Jeeves, your answer is not clear. 1 second you have to speak, okay? I think something problem. Okay, Jeeves, speak. Sergey. Okay. Very good. Now next question I have to ask. Down your hand everyone. Next question is, why is I delighted? In this passage, in this extract, why is I delighted? Raise your hand. This one is the in last page, this extracted. 2 hands, Harshita and Jeeves. Now this time I am giving chance to Harshita. Harshita, speak.
Sergei was delighted because he had made Lushtov a respectable person.
Okay, yes. Okay, Jeeves, you have to speak. What type of job is he doing now? Okay, Rahul, you want to speak? Okay, now speak.
Notary.
Yes, very good. In this question, 4 hands, Jivesh, Utkarsh, Rahul and Harshita. They raise their hand. Okay, now, the word sake, listen carefully, the word sake, S-A-K-E, in the extract is a, what type of parts of speech? Noun, verb, preposition, conjunction. Raise your hand everyone. सेक यहाँ पर क्या है? नाउन है, वर्ब है, preposition है, conjunction है. Only Jivesh has raised. Okay, Jivesh, I am giving you. After that, Mohit. So first, I am giving Mohit. Then Jivesh will speak. Okay. Okay, Mohit, speak.
Noun.
Noun. Jivesh, is it correct? The right answer is noun. Okay, why it is noun? Mohit, can you explain? Or is there anyone can explain? Why it is noun? Mohit, you have spoken, this is noun. How we can say that this is noun? Now here it is a feeling. Okay, so it is a noun. Okay, now next, what does delighted mean? What does delighted mean? Raise your hand. Harshita has raised her hand. Is there anyone who want to raise? Okay, so many hands. Mohit, Rahul, Utkarsh, Jivesh, Harshita. Okay. First, recently I have given chance Mohit and Jivesh both, Utkarsh also, Rahul also, these 5. Okay. First C raised hand, so I am giving her chance. Harshita, speak.
Happy.
Yes, very good. Is there any word? Another boy and girl wanted to speak, Jivesh. Is there any synonym of happy? And you can say, whom I have given chance to speak, speak. अभी जिसको अनम्यूट की उसको बोलो. I think Aditi, I have given you chance. Aditi?
Pleased.
Pleased, very good. Okay, now Utkarsh, is there any word you want to speak? Another synonym? Speak.
Glad.
Glad. Okay, now Mohit, have you any word? Just wait. Mohit, speak.
Joyful.
Okay, very good. Now after that, everyone has already spoken. Now down your hand. Then I will ask another question. Okay, now I have given you learn word meaning. Listen, this is not open compass is not working in proper way. Today I will say Prashant Acharji. Then he will see what is the problem. Now I am asking you some question related to this word meaning. Now I have to check that you have prepared your stock related to this lesson or not. Now very simple. What is the meaning of suppliant? S-U-P-P-L-I-A-N-T. Suppliant. Can anyone say? Yesterday I have discussed. Okay, first Mohit has raised, then I am giving him chance. अब सबसे पहले जो हाथ उठा उसी को चांस मिलेगा. ठीक है, दिस इज द बजट राउंड.
A person making a humble plea to someone in power or authority.
Okay, very good. Now listen carefully. When I will say that you have to raise your hand, then I will give you chance. Okay? Now, okay, Mohit, very good. Down your hand. Next. Next is recognize. RECOGNISE. Now, you may say your meaning also. This is not compulsory, then you have to speak my meaning. Now, raise your hand. Recognize. I am counting 5. Yes, Utkars. Speak.
To identify someone or something.
Yes, very good. To identify, to detect. Okay, now next word. Indebted. 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 We can say indebted also. Both pronunciation is correct. Now, who will speak the meaning of this? Raise your hand. No one, then I have to give answer. Listen spelling. INDEBTED. I'm counting 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, it means you all have not written in your copy. The answer is very simple, means obliged. Okay, now next question, very simple, I am giving you. Feebleness. 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 This is very common word which we used in our applications. Now Utkars, speak.
Weakness.
Weakness, very good. This is the budget round. At last I will say that who has spoken more meaning. Okay, Utkars got 2 marks, Harshita 1 marks and Mohit 1 marks. Now I am asking more question. Listen. Next one is MUMBLE. Mumble. This is budget round. When I will say that you have to raise your hand, then you have to raise. Down, down. Okay, now. Just wait, everyone down your hand first. Okay, raise your hand. Okay, Rahul, what is your answer?
Telling something slowly in mind.
Okay, to murmur. Budbudana. Okay. What you have said? 1 second, speak.
Telling something
Okay,
in mind
yes.
slowly.
Okay. Now, down your hand, everyone. Next. Rahul got 2 marks. No, Rahul 1 marks. Now, okay. 1, 1, 1 and 2. Next. Choir. 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 Down your hand, Jivesh. When I will say, then you have to raise your hand. Down you two. अदिति अभी डाउन कर लीजिए, जब हम बोलेंगे रेज करने तब करिएगा. ओके, नाउ रेज योर हैंड. ओके जीवेश, इट्स योर चांस. स्पीक.
Singing group.
Once again.
Singing group.
Okay, a group of singers. Okay, very good. Now, next is EMBARRASSED. 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 Just wait. Now raise your hand. Jivesh, speak.
being shy.
Okay. Aditi, what is your answer?
Shy or ashamed.
Yes, very good. Okay, now Jivesh 2 times he has spoken, Utkarsh 2 times. Now I have to see who is the winner, and everyone one time. Aditi raised 2 or 3 times, but what happened? This is the budget round. So who will come in first? Then I have to give them chance. Now listen carefully. This is the last question. So when I will say, you have to raise your hand. Okay. WRATHFULLY, wrathfully. Now जीवेश अभी नहीं उठाना है, जब बोलेंगे तब, अभी बोले नहीं हैं. डाउन पहले हैंड, रेज योर हैंड. ओके जीवेश स्पीक.
In a very angry manner.
Okay, very good. Then today's winner is, first winner is Jivesh and second Utkarsh. Okay. In budget round and overall in classroom, so many students has given answer like Harshita, Aditi, Rahul, Mohit, Kus, Utkarsh, Jivesh. Shashank has given one answer. Okay. And you all listeners, Kus also,